All right, time's come for us to go ahead and create those loopbacks that we'll be using later on as our VTEPs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say config T interface loopback, and I'm going to use a loopback of 100. And what we'll do now is I'll say IP address, and we'll just specify that 10.1.100.101/32 address. And I'm going to go ahead and advertise that in my routing configuration here. So I'm going to say want to configure router OSPF underlay infra 0000 for my area. And then what I'll do here is do the same thing. Interface loopback 100, IP address 10.1.100.102/32, and we will go ahead and configure the OSPF configuration on this interface. And what I want to do now is I want to verify some things, because remember, in the theory on the light board, I was talking about equal cost multipathing. So what I want to do is I'm going to say show IP route OSPF, and I want to look specifically at the OSPF configuration, of which we only have one config in here, but you'll notice that resources, so as an example, like loopback 100 that I just created on leaf 102, notice that I have two ways to get to it. I can travel through spine 1 or spine 2, so it would be 201 and 202. Also keep in mind that to reach the loopback of leaf 2, I also would travel through spine 201 and spine 202. So this translates to the idea of the system supporting equal cost multipathing. But the next thing that we need to do is we need to spend some time talking about this from the perspective of how we would implement our multicast environment, because remember, flood and learn requires a functional multicast underlay, and we need to be able to put all of that in place. So that means we need to form the PIM neighbor adjacencies. We also need to create the idea of our rendezvous point. And for this particular video, I decided to use an Anycast RP configuration. So again, I will see everybody in that video, where what we're going to do is we're going to actually take the light board and we're going to expand a little bit on our theory, and then what we'll do is we'll implement it and then verify. I'll see you guys in that video.